Hello everybody. Welcome to today's video. We're doing something a little different. I thought that I would, slip into something a little bit more comfortable so that we could talk about what we're leaving behind in 2018. Yes, I know, we're like pretty well into the month. But I just wanted to take a moment to discuss the things that we are leaving behind in 2018 and discuss the resolutions that are gonna come our way. Number 1, we need to stop wearing so much makeup. Now ladies, this is mostly directed at you and some of you boys. Now listen, I know it's funny coming from a drag queen and I definitely did not follow suit with that, not wearing too much makeup today with my look. But I think we need to be careful whenever we're looking at these beauty gurus on YouTube and Instagram. We need to understand that they're selling a fantasy. Essentially, they're doing drag. The amount of makeup that they're doing, they're just like creating a mask. And the way that that's going to look in person is not going to be as desirable whenever you're out in public in daylight. I mean, you should see me in person. I look like Number 2, we are not going to be apologizing. Now, you might be thinking, oh, well that's a bit harsh. What if you hurt someone's feelings, then you're just going to be an asshole and not say anything to be regrettable for it? Well, no. Of course, if I hurt somebody's feelings, I'm going to say I'm sorry. That is an important lesson to learn for being an adult. Be aware of people's feelings and try not to offend anybody too deeply. Now, what I'm saying is, I'm not going to be apologizing for basically existing. I found that in the past I've been in social situations or just on a day-to-day basis, I feel like we very often say, oh, I'm sorry, oh gosh, I'm sorry, for like the dumbest things. Or like, oh, I'm sorry that I'm so emotional, or oh, I'm sorry that I'm so loud. No, don't be sorry, it's you, and own who you are, and don't apologize for it. So that's basically what I mean. If people are trying to bring you down or make you feel bad about the person that you are, don't apologize. They're not the people for you. Find your own tribe, okay? And don't sacrifice who you are for some lame group of people who doesn't get you. Listen, there's been a couple times in my life, whether it was a relationship or newfound friends in a new city, that I've been told, oh, you're too much. Oh, you're just like a lot. You're a little dramatic. But guess what? My real friends always told me, no, you're not too much. You're perfect the way you are. From that, it's like, oh, I don't need to apologize for who I am because there are people who love me and accept me for exactly as I am. So, therefore, 2019, we're not apologizing anymore. Buckle up. Number 3, we are not going to take on other people's BS. Now this is something that I have had to deal with, especially when it comes to a day job. I feel like there's a lot of egos in a workspace. People need to let you know that they're in charge, and some people do it better than others. Most people do it in a very negative way where they have to put you down. And the way that I've learned to navigate this is essentially what has brought me to this New Year's resolution is I'm not taking it on. What I used to do in the past is I used to internalize whatever they would say to me and just feel bad and crappy about myself, which then would create more negative energy throughout my entire day. And that's such a waste of time. I don't need to waste my time taking someone's negative energy and letting it ruin my day. It's just not worth it for me or anybody else. So I get it, everybody has a bad day, everybody processes their own feelings in different ways, but when it comes to somebody emitting negative energy, it's not mine to take or internalize, it is their own, so I'm not taking ownership of it. And finally, and this is all directed at the Austin community, okay, I'm looking at all of you. We're gonna stop ignoring drag queens whenever we see them out, okay? Now, what we all need to understand is that drag queens, we're not doing all of this just for our health. While it may give us some kind of mental health creative release, sure, at the end of the day, we want some goddamn mother attention. So please, compliments are welcome, adoration is welcome, money is welcome, pay me. That all being said, take everything I say with a grain of salt, especially when it comes to the advice that I've given. Listen, I'm not a trained professional. I'm only speaking from my own experience, which, listen, most of the time doesn't apply to everybody. I hope this helped one of you out there, one of the handful of people. I was kind of tired of just being so negative and putting myself down in my own makeup tutorials, where I thought I would at least pretend like I liked myself. I'm just kidding. I'm on a spiritual journey. Send help. Hope you all enjoyed this video today, discussing my New Year's resolutions and things that we're leaving behind in 2018. And I hope that you have a fabulous new year. Not like New Year's, like the holiday, but like New Year, like we're in a new year. I hope you get it. Please feel free to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my channel, please. It would do me a huge favor and I would really, really appreciate. Give this video a like, share it with your friends. Okay, I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.